Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Yes, so finally we are back at MPI Invest office. Well, yes, a little slightly delayed today because I was driving down from the hospital to office and just reached, and thought, okay, this time we'll do it from the office itself. We've been having trouble with the live, when I go from the car, so finally we made it to the office. Yes, things are going well, so it's probably he should be back today. So now coming to the market, what a bull run! In fact, looks like the Nifty is finally breaking out, isn't it? In fact, we opened with the gap up and continued the rally, and we could see the last half an hour from 3 p.m. What a huge green candle! It was like as if the markets have gone crazy, and the markets are just driving up and up and up. No reason, just 10-20 minutes, the entire market was up by almost more than 100 points, and we could see Nifty actually about 18,500. And finally we closed, at almost 18,483. But then, what a bull run! We are just 100 points away from the all-time high ever touched. All-time high, right? So that's amazing bull run that was. I would say, of course, the IT stocks, which we've been talking about for a long time, have finally broken out. We could see Infosys up by almost 3% yesterday, HCL up by almost 2.5%, same with their Tech Mahindra, and we could see, I think, Birla Soft was almost up by 5%. So, majorly IT power and banking power. Banking sector was like again breaking out. So, it was, the entire banking sector and IT sector that actually gave such a great bull run, and we could see the Nifty actually closing higher. In fact, Sensex has closed at the highest point ever. So on a closing basis, this is an all-time high already. Now, if you see, even last year in 2021 October, when Nifty actually hit an all-time high of 18,600, that was just intraday. It did not close at 18,600. So closing basis, we are already at high. Now, only thing is just a stone's throw away is what we have all-time high to the record to be broken for Indian stock market when the global markets are still close to 52-week high. Can you imagine the power in Nifty? Oh my God! So definitely the FIAs actually continue to buy. They actually bought for almost 1,200 crores yesterday, while the DIAs, as usual, have started booking profits for almost 200 crores yesterday. So it was major buying across the region scene, especially after 3 p.m., which actually has taken the Indian market really higher. But then, of course, Indian markets have done really well. In fact, outperformed the global markets, I would say. And that is something really good. So after Indian markets closed, of course, the US market was closed yesterday because of Thanksgiving. So Thursday, we don't have any cues from there. Naturally, the SGX Nifty is kind of flat since yesterday. So it's not moved much. We could expect a slightly gap down or face a flat opening today in Nifty. And then after such a big rally, probably we could see some consolidation. That's what I'm expecting. So Nifty definitely is overpowered by bulls. So Nifty is going to see some power. But then since the rally was really big yesterday, probably we could see a consolidation today. And today is a Friday also. And today evening, the US market opens for just a short period, being their Black Friday. So, they're not having the full trading session today. So, with all those things, Indian markets would be kind of slightly cautious, by till Monday, because the US market opens full-fledged only on Monday. So, that could be one thing, but however, 18,600 is now just a stone's throw away. So, we could expect that any moment probably. Or will it take resistance at 18,500? Because we've been discussing that 18,500 is a good resistance. So 18,450 to 500 is a good resistance. Though it is broken intraday yesterday, on a closing basis, it actually closed below 18,500. So this needs to be watched. But however, now 18,000 on the downside actually looks very good support. 18,000, 18,200 would be the major support area for Nifty, and until 18,200 is broken, I don't think we should ever consider Nifty going bearish. So now that is the situation. So we used to talk about 17,200 a few days back, and today we are talking about 18,200. So that's the kind of bullishness that we've seen. So overall, it was a great month. Of course, for Gold Club members, we had actually booked amazing profits yesterday. I had personally done about 1.7% return for the week, but then the last hour movement actually took away some of our profits. But still glad that, in spite of such a big move, we are actually closing the week with positive returns. So that was something amazing on the side. And apart from that, for all the investors, I would say great time as your banking stocks as well as the IT stocks must be doing really well. Portfolio should be looking really good as things get back to normal in the Indian market. So today is again the weekend, the last trading day of this week, and yesterday was the last trading expiry of this month. So today we have the new series starting, that is the December series, though it's not December, but the expiry for expiry traders, this new series is the December expiry. So the next expiry is on the 1st of December. That marks it the first expiry of December. So the new series has started. So will the Indian market actually hit 18,600 in December, a dull month? That's something that could actually, be something big. So let's see how things take turn. So that's something, of course, this week was so much disturbance on a personal front as well as the market front. But then, a week just got over with all the week ending finally pleasantly. So, things are back to normal. So let us catch up with all details of market as well as a plan for the next week and the next month on the Sunday meeting, sharp at 7 p.m. for the MPI community members. If you're not a part of the community, do join the community by going to the website mentioned in the scroll here. So with that, this is Srikant signing off. But before we leave, do press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share this podcast with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day and a great weekend ahead.